Number 5. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic is a modern interpretation of a classic military field watch, blending rugged heritage with refined Swiss craftsmanship in a way that feels both purposeful and timeless. Inspired by Hamilton's long history of supplying watches to soldiers, it features a clean, highly legible dial with bold Arabic numerals, a practical 24-hour inner track, and generous lume on the hands and markers for excellent visibility in low light. The matte dial, available in versatile shades like black, blue, or green, reinforces its utilitarian character, while the brushed stainless steel case typically offered in 38mm or 42mm strikes a balanced presence on the wrist, making it suitable for both everyday wear and more adventurous pursuits. At its core beats the reliable H10 automatic movement, known for its impressive 80-hour power reserve, allowing the watch to run for more than 3 days without needing to be worn, a significant upgrade over standard automatic calibers. The sapphire crystal enhances durability with strong scratch resistance, and the exhibition case back offers a view of the mechanical movement in action, adding a touch of horological appreciation to its otherwise tool-focused design. Number 4. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 is a refined yet versatile Swiss timepiece that embodies sophistication and everyday practicality in one elegant package. Its design strikes a harmonious balance between classic dress watch aesthetics and contemporary sensibilities, featuring a clean, well-proportioned dial with applied indices and a date window that enhances legibility without clutter. Housed in a beautifully finished stainless steel case, often in sizes that suit a wide range of wrists, the Gentleman exudes a sense of quiet confidence whether paired with a leather strap or a stainless bracelet. Powered by Tissot's advanced Powermatic 80 automatic movement, it boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve, allowing the watch to continue running through weekends off the wrist, a significant advantage over many standard automatic calibers. The anti-reflective sapphire crystal protects the dial with excellent scratch resistance while maintaining crystal clear visibility from various angles. Number 3. The Certina DS Action Diver Powermatic 80 is a robust and exceptional Swiss-made dive watch that combines professional-grade performance with refined everyday appeal. Its bold, highly legible dial features large luminous hands and markers that ensure clear readability in all lighting conditions, including deep underwater, while the unidirectional rotating bezel offers precise timing for diving activities. Encased in a solid stainless steel case with a screw-down crown and case back, the watch delivers impressive water resistance, typically rated to 300 meters, making it fully capable for recreational scuba diving and aquatic adventures. At the heart of this timepiece lies the Powermatic 80 automatic movement, celebrated for its remarkable 80-hour power reserve, offering extended autonomy compared to many standard mechanical calibers, and reliability that enthusiasts appreciate. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating protects the dial and enhances clarity, while Certina's signature DS double security concept underscores the watch's durability, shock resistance, and overall robustness. Number 2. The Mito Ocean Star 200 is a beautifully balanced Swiss dive watch that merges dependable performance with sleek modern design, making it an excellent choice for both underwater adventures and everyday wear. Its striking dial, often presented in rich colors like deep blue or black, features bold luminous hands and indices that provide exceptional legibility whether you're exploring the ocean depths or navigating city streets. The unidirectional rotating bezel adds a functional tool for timing dives, while the robust stainless steel case and screw-down crown ensure water resistance up to 200 meters, giving confidence in a variety of aquatic environments. Powered by a reliable automatic movement with a generous power reserve, the Ocean Star 200 delivers consistent accuracy and endurance, allowing it to keep going through weekends off the wrist. The sapphire crystal protects the face from scratches and maintains clarity from every angle, and the integrated bracelet or strap options offer both comfort and durability. Number 1. The Longines Flagship Heritage Black Dial is a timeless expression of classic Swiss watchmaking, combining elegant design with understated sophistication. that feels both nostalgic and remarkably contemporary. Its deep black dial provides a stunning backdrop for slender applied indices and polished, leaf-shaped hands, creating a striking contrast that enhances readability while maintaining a clean, refined aesthetic. The slim, beautifully polished stainless steel case frames the dial with graceful proportions that sit comfortably on the wrist, making it equally suited to formal occasions and everyday wear. Powered by a precision automatic movement, this flagship model delivers reliable timekeeping and a smooth sweep of the seconds head, reflecting Longines' long tradition of mechanical excellence. The date window at 3 o'clock is thoughtfully integrated, adding practical functionality without interrupting the harmonious design.